This can be used for teaching fractions. So this is like one whole and one whole. This whole is divided into two parts. Then we have this into three parts. This whole can be divided into three parts like that. So three parts, four parts, five parts, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So these wholes can be divided into different parts, and we can use this in teaching different fractions. So basically we use it for teaching addition and subtraction of fractions in class 6, multiplication and division of fractions. This is very useful in that, because normally children learn like just get the answer, but here they can actually do it. Like I will show only one or two examples and then we'll move on. So this is like half. And this is 1/3. So this is half and 1/3. So if you want to add half, this whole is divided into two parts and we have taken half. This whole is divided into three parts and we've taken one part. So it is 1/3. So if you want to add half and 1/3, so it's not possible because these are unlike fractions. So normally students, they find the LCM and get the answer. But here they will have to, here they cannot find the LCM and get the answer. So they have to make this unlike fraction into like fractions. So they will have to make an equivalent fraction of half, an equivalent fraction of 1/3, so that the operation is possible. So here they will make, suppose 3/6 equivalent fraction of half, and two by six, which is equivalent fraction of 1/3. So now, since the whole, both the whole is divided into 6 parts, the operation is possible. So now this 3 plus 2, a child will get 5/6. So now they can do the addition or whatever subtraction is there. So in this way, we can help them understand how to do addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division of fractions. Otherwise, they will just like they know how to, they know the operations and they get the answer. Here, they will actual understanding of fractional numbers will develop.